Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about imperative mood in Russian language. I'll show you some slides with the rules that you will have to memorize if you want to use the imperative mood correctly. As always, the main thing you should focus on is the verb's ending. So let's go.
To form the imperative mood for you in singular form, you should add to the word base in present or future tense suffix e or zero suffix. Don't take a verb in its infinitive form because it will confuse you. Take the pronoun they, они, plus the verb with appropriate ending. Please watch my previous videos if you don't remember which ending should be used with the pronoun they. For example, установят, установи, играют, играй, делают, делай, пишут, пиши, думают, думай, запомнят, запомни. To form the imperative mood for you in plural form and for you formal, you should add to the word base suffix те. Take as a basis a verb in imperative mood for you in singular form. For example, установи, установите, думай, думайте. Смотри, смотрите, делай, делайте, отвечай, отвечайте. If a verb in imperative mood ends with a consonant, it should be followed by мягкий знак. For example, оставь, брось, забудь. Furthermore, you should put мягкий знак before such suffixes as ся and те. For example, бросьте, режьте, оставьте. Exceptions: ляг, лягте. Делай, делайте. Будь, будьте. Смотри, смотрите. Читай, читайте. Напиши, напишите. Узнай, узнайте. Покажи, покажите. Возьми, возьмите. Положи, положите. Успокойся, успокойтесь.
Alright guys, I hope you liked today's lesson. If you did, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye for now.